You know, when I list your home, the promotional package we put together for you includes coming soon marketing. Hello everybody, this is Ray, and on today's Real Estate Fake Estate, we talk about coming soon. Is this a real thing or is it a fake thing? Recently, there's been a lot of upheaval in the real estate industry around coming soon marketing. Previously, agents were able to market your property to people who are looking for a home today, even though your property wasn't live. The strategy was to prevent the buyer from buying a house this weekend because we wanted them to wait on ours that'll go live next weekend. For the most part, this was a solid marketing plan, and it would generate a lot of excitement and activity around your property before it actually went live. So you could potentially go live and have a line at your door of buyers wanting in. But what happened is not all agents treated coming soon the same. Some agents would market a property as coming soon in an effort to get both sides or double-end a transaction. This usually resulted in more money for the agent, but a lower sell price for the seller because the property wasn't fully marketed to the marketplace. Now, with all of the changes from the National Association of Realtors regarding pocket listings and the coming soon listings and all the practices surrounding them, an agent can usually only market a home as coming soon for 24 hours before it's actually input into the multiple listing service and then distributed for everyone else to see. So an agent who's telling you today that they can market a property as coming soon is probably fake estate, unless they have an incredible 24-hour marketing extravaganza.